Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you how to make a little bit of extra money selling DVDs and video games on eBay. Let's get into it. I was cleaning out my closet recently and wanted to make a few extra bucks. What's nice about DVDs and video games is they have a barcode on the back, and then you can use the eBay app to scan the barcode and it will match you with like items, and that way you can estimate a price. If you install eBay on your phone as an application, you can use the camera to scan barcodes. Go to the search menu, and then to the right is a barcode icon. It'll then access your camera, and then you can scan the barcode of any item. You can also manually search by entering the item's description. eBay will then give you a list of the most recently sold items and the price points for those items. You can then list the item that you want to sell. I've already created an account. It asks for your name, address, email, and then when you get paid, it wants your social security number and a bank account. eBay does a great job of automatically setting up the item's description while making the selling experience automated and pretty easy. You can go in and manually change any of the options that you'd like. Just follow along as eBay basically automatically fills in the listing. When selling things, it gives you the option to take photos. I would take multiple photos of the item you're selling, that way the buyer can get a good look at it. eBay does take a small fee for being the platform at which you're selling. It does have monthly limits on what you can sell and for how much. However, I think it gives you like 250 free items every month to sell. There is the notification menu, which gives you the option to chat with the buyer. That way you can haggle a price. Notifications also alert you to when people bid on items or when your items have sold. And then your profile menu just keeps records of your buying and selling stats. When something is sold, it'll be on the main page. And then once you're notified that the buyer is paid, you can go ahead and ship the item. You have the option to print a shipping label. Buying the shipping label from eBay does give you a discount. It will then email it to you where you can print out a sticker if you have a printer. You can also just fill out the package and pay for the postage the old-fashioned way. And then once the buyer has received the package, you'll get the money in your bank account from eBay. Hey, check out my other videos right here. There's links down in the description to save some money, so check that out. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.